How to create new document on Word Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create new documents on Word Mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Word, click on it, and then just click this plus icon, and now select here any document you want, and then just click here, and as you see document has been created. And now just click save, and as you see now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.